Bill, this is Dave here at your house, Lafayette Street. As you can see, we got our sliders in, front door is in. You see the door looks like it's off center, but it's actually centered. Let me just show you a couple things. Go around your satellite dish, which I got to take down, by the way. We got a notification that can't have the dish in the front yard, so I'll move it to the back for you. All right, anyway, overhangs. We got the overhangs all done. Okay, you see that we took all the vinyl off and we had a lot of extra work on this. You see all the plywood patched and so forth? All this plywood was all like overlapped and different thicknesses, and there was no way we can put hardy plank over this later, so we had to rework it all in order to make it flat. Okay, you see your side door is in there. All right. This wall right here, this wall was the wall that was leaning towards the backyard. Okay, and what we did was we couldn't move the roof towards the street, so what we did was we moved the bottom towards the backyard, so that now it's straight up and down, so that, you know, the way it's supposed to be. Okay, you can see what we did where, you know, this corner right here wasn't too bad, but right here you can see where it steps out a little bit. Okay, where that wall was kicked towards the backyard a little bit, but this stayed in the same spot. This isn't going to affect us later because your deck will be here later and come across, so you won't see that sticking out. Okay, on the other side of the door you see that it gets even worse. There's much more of a lip here where we had to kick it in about 3/4 of an inch. Okay, and as it goes further, for some reason it just got worse and worse. You can see there it's about 1 inch. And then what we did was we tapered it back here. It went a little bit more. Okay, so the two corners were not too bad on each end, but in the middle, that whole thing was bowed way out like that. Not as much as my hand, but just to give you an idea. So we had to move it all in, and that was quite the task to do. We did a lot of work. All this new plywood that you see up here. Okay, you had to rework that, re-nail it and everything. Let me just go inside. Let's see if the door is locked. Uh-oh, door's locked. Anyway, go around the outside, show you more overhangs. Okay, let's go around, open the gate. All right, took the railing off your deck to get to this. Your railing will come off later. We got a little bit of work left to do out here. We ran out of material today, but we'll finish it up tomorrow before we put the paper on. But this is a whole new piece here. That's just discoloration. That's not rot. That's nothing to worry about. And you can see how we how many nails we put in. Okay, so it's just a buttload of nails. That's part of the hurricane requirements. All right. So you got the overhangs on the 3 sides of the house now. Of course, your front porch will end up having the new roof there. So let me just jump down here. All right, so we got some new material here. There's your glass block window. That's going to be great in that bathroom. All right, and that window here. All right, but here's another area that we still have to fix. If you look, that's not the camera. That bows in. It bows in. It's literally curved in like that. Okay, that's something that we're going to have to fix as well. I think we can do it when we do the siding. And here's another issue. You can see the type of stuff that we're dealing with. Now, that vinyl siding was hiding a lot of this type of stuff. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut above and below that out and fix that for you. All right, but overhangs on this side here. Pretty much finished up all this. We got a couple more pieces to do right here tomorrow, and that'll be it. Okay, so that's where your condenser will come out later. We'll build that concrete pad like that. So I'm gonna stop this video and make another video once I unlock the door.